Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from Mathematics for Economics. The question is the expenditure function E of Px, Py, U bar equals to 2 under root U bar Px Py minus 2Px minus Py. Find the compensated demand functions for two commodities. The solution. How to get compensated demand function from the expenditure function? To get compensated demand function from expenditure function, we use Shepard's lemma. What is Shepard's lemma? Del E by del Px equals to x S. X S shows compensated demand function and del E by del Py shows Ys. This Ys is the compensated demand function. X S is the shows the compensated demand function. This S stands for Slutsky. This S stands for Slutsky. Now we partially differentiate this expenditure function with respect to Px and then with respect to Py to get Xs and Xys respectively. Now compensated demand function for X. This is del E by del Px. That in place of E, I am writing the whole expression, that is U 2 U bar to the power half Px to the power half Py to the power half minus 2Px minus Py. We partially differentiate the above expression with respect to Px. That means we differentiate with respect to Px keeping U bar Py constant. This is 2 U bar to the power half Py to the power half, because these are constant. Now we differentiate Px to the power half with respect to Px. That means half comes here, Px to the power minus half. Now we differentiate 2Px with respect to Px. It becomes 2 and Py is kept constant in this case. Therefore, differentiation of Py with respect to Px is 0. This is our compensated demand function for X. Now we simplify this thing. This get cancelled. Therefore, Xs is U bar to the power half Py to the power half and Px to the power minus half. We can write like this: under root Py by Px minus 2. This is our compensated demand function for X. Demand function for X. Now we do the compensated demand function for Y. Compensated demand function for Y is del of del Py. In place of E, I am writing the expenditure function, that is 2 U bar to the power half Px to the power half Py to the power half minus 2px minus py. We differentiate this expression with respect to py, keeping u bar and px constant. This becomes 2u bar to the power half px to the power half and py to the power half. Half comes here, py half minus 1, this becomes minus half. This is a constant term in this case because we get px constant, therefore this is 0 minus py differentiating with respect to py is 1. Therefore compensated demand function for y is, this 2 get cancelled, under root u bar px by py minus 1. This is the compensated demand function for y. This is the compensated demand function for y. This is under root u bar px by py minus 1. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.